In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email template in Sendgrid. To begin, you will need to sign in to your Sendgrid account. Open your browser and go to the Sendgrid login page. Enter your credentials, then complete any additional sign-in steps that are required. Once you are logged in, you should land on the main dashboard. This dashboard is where you will access the email tools needed to build a reusable template. Next, you will select Email API. On the left side or within the navigation menu, look for the section labeled Email API and click it. This area is important because dynamic templates are managed through the Email API settings. Taking this step helps you make sure you are working in the correct place, rather than in a general settings screen that might not provide template options. From there, you will select Dynamic Templates. After you enter the Email API area, find the subsection for Dynamic Templates and click it. Dynamic templates are designed to let you create flexible email layouts that can change content while still keeping a consistent design. This is one of the main reasons dynamic templates are useful, especially if you send similar emails to many users. Now you will select Create a Dynamic Template. Look for a button or link that says Create a Dynamic Template, then click it. This will open the template creation form. At this point, Sendgrid is ready for you to define a new template that you can use later when sending emails. You will then enter your template name. Type a clear descriptive name so it is easy to identify later. For example, you may use something that reflects the purpose of the email, like a welcome message or a notification email. Choosing a good template name makes it easier to manage versions and find the correct template when you need it. Again, after you have entered the template name, you will select Create. Click the Create button to confirm. Sendgrid will generate a new template entry and take you to the template setup steps. If you do not see anything change right away, wait a moment, because the template details may load after the creation completes. Now that the template exists, you will select Add Version. This step matters because templates are versioned, which means you can improve and update designs over time without losing earlier work. In the template screen, find the Add Version option and click it to begin configuring the actual email content for this version. Next, you will choose a template design option. Sendgrid typically provides different ways to build the email design, such as using a design builder or selecting a specific editor workflow. Choose the option that fits your workflow and comfort level. This selection controls how you will edit the email structure and content. After you choose the design option, you will edit your email content. This is where you build the email that recipients will see. Carefully add the message text and structure it so it reads clearly. Pay attention to headings, paragraphs, and any calls to action, so the email looks professional and easy to scan. If your template supports dynamic fields, you can keep placeholders in mind so the email can receive different values later when you send it. As you make edits, take a moment to review the layout. Check that spacing looks right, the content is aligned properly, and nothing important is missing. You do not need to overthink it, but a quick review helps prevent mistakes that would otherwise show up in every email you send using this template. When you are satisfied with the design and content, you will select Save Template. Click the Save button to store the version. This step is what finalizes your work, so your template is ready to be used when sending email campaigns or transactional messages. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.